This is meteorologist Andrew Markowitz with an update on Hurricane Erin and the two potential storms right on her heels as of Thursday, August 21st, 2025. And as always, we'll give you the full breakdown with no hype, no nonsense, and no fear-mongering. Hurricane Erin is a massive storm that is currently bigger than the entire state of Texas. Thankfully, as predicted, Erin has officially made that turn to the northeast, and she will be making her way out to sea. Hurricane-force winds extend over 100 miles away from the center, and tropical storm-force winds over 300 miles. As expected, Hurricane Erin has brought extremely high waves, beach erosion, and coastal flooding to much of the East Coast, with the worst impacts in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Dangerous, life-threatening rip currents will remain a significant concern through Friday for the entire East Coast between Maine and Florida before easing over the weekend. Tropical storm warnings remain in effect for coastal Virginia and North Carolina. The worst surge will continue to target the Outer Banks of North Carolina, but some surge is possible as far south as Surf City and coastal communities in Virginia, Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, and the South Shore of Long Island. Erin will track northeastward in the Atlantic Ocean and transition to an extratropical cyclone. As we move into early next week, she may bring rain and wind to parts of Iceland, the UK, and Ireland. So we can just about say goodbye and good riddance to Erin, but let's talk about what else is brewing. Post Erin, the NHC is monitoring 3 separate areas for potential tropical development, and we will go through every single one. First, the red area. This is Invest 90L, which currently has a 50% chance of developing into a tropical system in the next 48 hours and 70% in the next 7 days. The latest models have this developing into a tropical storm over the weekend and then becoming our second hurricane by the middle of next week. Models show this lifting northward well out to sea of the United States. However, if you live in Bermuda or Atlantic Canada, this one is still worth watching. Next up, we have the orange area off the coast of Africa. This is Invest 99L, which has a 40% chance of developing into a tropical system over the next 7 days. Models show this tracking to the west, perhaps in the direction of the Windward Islands and then the Caribbean Sea. Models currently keep this very weak, but it is still worth watching. And finally, we have this yellow area. As you can see, it looks very unintimidating on satellite and is far away from any land masses, therefore nothing to worry about. For more updates on the tropics and other severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.